we are learning more now about the raid to free prisoners of ISIS in Iraq that led to the first U.S. combat death in that country in 4 years. NBC's chief foreign correspondent Richard Engel is in Iraq for us this morning. Richard, good morning.
Good morning, Savannah. U.S. officials are describing that soldier who died here in Iraq as a hero, saying he acted selflessly, rushing into close combat with ISIS and saving many lives.
NBC News has learned new details this morning about the commando raid that rescued about 70 hostages in Iraq. U.S. and allied Kurdish forces took off in 5 helicopters heading to an ISIS prison on the outskirts of the town of حەویجە. U.S. officials say the prisoners were about to be executed, mass graves already dug. American forces manned the perimeter. Allied Kurdish fighters stormed in, but met heavy resistance. Then NBC News has learned one wave of Americans, followed by a second, moved in to help, worried their allies or the hostages would be killed. But ISIS managed to shoot one American commando described by U.S. officials as selfless and heroic, and whose actions saved lives. He was the first American to die in combat in Iraq in 4 years. And questions are being raised: why are so-called advisors now involved in close combat?
In that support role, they are allowed to defend themselves and also defend partner forces and to protect against the loss of innocent life. And that's what played out in this particular operation.
American troops have been operating here in Iraq for months on that advise and assist mission. Now some are wondering whether they will be more frequently on the front lines in the battle against ISIS. Savannah,
All right, Richard Engel, thank you very much.